If you've clicked on this video, you're probably a college or high school student, and you've probably heard of ChatGPT. But did you know you can write your paper directly in ChatGPT without copying and pasting back and forth? Or that ChatGPT can suggest edits for you in real time as you write? And if you're writing a research paper, it can find those sources for you in just a couple seconds. And if you're writing a book report, that's even better because ChatGPT can write your in-text citations and works cited in just a couple seconds. But once that paper is done, you have to be able to get past AI writing detectors to turn it in. This will be a no-fluff video on how to finish and turn in any writing assignment you get using ChatGPT. So let's get started. Alright, and the first thing I'm going to show you is how to avoid the AI writing detectors. So first thing you're going to want to do is open ChatGPT. Go over to Explore GPTs. This will work with the free plan of GPT. And go ahead, type in here, humanize AI. And it'll be this first one with the green infinity symbol. And now to add it to your sidebar, go to these three dots to keep in sidebar and then click start chat. And then all you need to do is copy and paste your essay into here. So here I've had ChatGPT write me a quick essay. I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste it. And when you first start using this GPT will ask you to quickly sign up an account. It's totally free. It takes about 5 seconds to do. But once you have that set up, it will start working. Go ahead, click confirm, and then it'll start rewriting this to sound more human. All right, and then once that's done, go ahead and copy it. And then go over to a AI writing detector. I'll be using GPT-0 for this video, but I definitely encourage you to double check with a couple different AI detectors for this. So go ahead and paste it into it, scan, and then there you go. 93% human and only 7% probability that it was written by AI. You can get it, I'd say below 10%, then you're definitely safe. All right, and then the next thing I'll show you is how you can quickly find any research paper on any topic. So go over to ChatGPT. Again, go over to Explore GPTs. Now go to the Research and Analysis tab, and this will bring you to a bunch of different research GPTs. I like the number 1 GPT here, Scholar. So we can go ahead and add that by going to the 3 bubbles to keep in sidebar, and then we can start a chat with it. Let's say we want to find research papers on a study about conservation of momentum. And just like humanize AI, we will need you to create a quick account. And then here, let's click on the first one, and this should be a research paper about it. So this is what the paper looks like. And when you do find a paper that would work, you can ask this GPT to give you the citation for it to include it in your paper. And that's what I did here. Now here's my personal favorite thing about ChatGPT is its Canvas feature. So if you go to the top drop down menu here and go to GPT 4.0 with Canvas, select that, and this will let you write your whole entire paper within ChatGPT without ever leaving it. And here's my essay here. When you first ask it, it will automatically open it in Canvas. If not, you can click these 2 arrows, and this is what Canvas looks like here. There's lots of cool features you can do. In the left side here, you can tell ChatGPT to do something in your paper, or on the right side, you can directly work with your paper. So let's ask ChatGPT to add a title, and there you go. It added a title here, and then we can also highlight it and edit it that way. If we go to this shortcut here, we can change it into a big title font. And as you write the paper, ChatGPT will give you suggestions how to make it sound even better. So here it says you might want to expand on how the green light evolves symbolically over the course of the narrative to add depth. And if you think that would be good to add, all you have to do is select apply, and ChatGPT will write that for you. And ChatGPT can also create a works cited section for you at the bottom. But at the very bottom right of the screen, you can do a couple quick shortcuts. The first one is add emojis. For an essay or a paper, you wouldn't really use this, but it's like an email, or for social media posts you might use this. The second is to add a final polish, so ChatGPT will go ahead and proofread this and polish your paper for you, make it sound a little better. And you can adjust the reading level all the way to graduate school reading level and all the way down to kindergarten reading level. You can have ChatGPT adjust the length of your essay. You can make it longer, longest, or much shorter. If you want it to look again for any edits like this, you can always go down to the bottom right and click suggest edits. And here ChatGPT found a couple more changes we could do. And as always, you click in here and delete or change or type anything you'd want. And in the very top right, there is version history, and it'll show you the changes of each version. So if you click show changes, it will highlight what I typed and deleted here. I deleted the word generations and then added the word something. Now let's say we apply a change ChatGPT that would be good and we didn't like it. And after applying a change ChatGPT suggested, we can easily see what it deleted and added by going to the top right and clicking show changes. And then in red, this is what it deleted, and in green, this is what it added. So this makes it much easier to see what ChatGPT exactly wrote and changed.